Everybody's Abby, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I thought today I would do a makeup wish list type of video. I've seen a few people talk about these, or they do their Sephora loves list. But what I do is I keep an inventory of all my makeup and my empties, my hauls, my wish list, everything all in one place. It is in a Google Sheets document, so like Google Docs, but it's kind of like Excel, like a spreadsheet type of thing. And I have an app, I have it up on my computer all the time, and I have an app on my phone so I can look at it when I'm, shopping or whatever. Oh, it is really raining outside. So I just have a list here of stuff that I would want to try, want to pick up. And some of the stuff I may never get because it just, the total cost of all these is probably a lot. Yeah, I mean, if money was no object, I would also like to do another wish list. Like, if money was no object and I could have all the makeup that I wanted, how much that would cost. Because I used to do that when I was a kid. We would go, me and my friends would go on to, Forever 21 or Hot Topic or whatever online and just put everything that we would possibly ever want in the shopping cart and see, how many thousands of dollars it was going to be. So I'll just get right into what I have on here. I'm looking at it on my phone. And then I'll put, pictures up of the stuff as I'm talking about it. The first things that I have on here are some Sugar Pill single shadows. So they sell them in a compact, and they have them in a, just a pan form, and then I would probably just get some kind of magnetic palette to put them in. And I have the shades Kiss Kiss, SWAK, Wink, Acid Berry, Diamond Eyes, The Inventor, Midori, Moneymaker, Taco, and Suburbia. So I'll put pictures of all those colors. Those are all vegan. I just kind of selected from the vegan ones, which what I think I would use. And then a couple things from Milani. So I want to try their setting spray. And then Emily Doll 83 was talking about that they have a powder called Prep Set and Go. And they also have one called Prep Set and Glow. It's like a setting powder that's kind of glowy. It's not like a highlighter, but it's just kind of got a sheen to it. I thought that'd be interesting. And I have a couple of the Anastasia matte lipsticks. I have the one in Cafe already, and it is amazing. So I want to try the shades Resin, Dusty Mauve, Griffin, and Brandy. So I'll put pictures of those. There was one that I really, really wanted. I think it was Griffin. It's the gray one. I don't know. I want to try that one. And then I have the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette because those shades are calling my name. I've been liking reds and stuff lately, so yeah, it looks really nice. And then something from Wet n Wild is the Photo Focused Pressed Powder. So I have been everywhere. I've not been able to find the Photo Focused powder at any store that I've been to, so yeah, I just need to replace some of my other setting powder, so. And then a couple things from, after that, I kind of had this stuff already, but then I went through and from that video that I did, the 10 brands I want to try, I put a couple things in here from each brand that I wanted to try. So from 100% Pure, they have a blush called Mimosa, and then I wanted to try their Pretty Naked palette. But they're also coming out with a different naked palette that I think I've seen a few videos on, and I want to try that one maybe better, but that one wasn't on the website yet. And then from the brand Au Naturel, I want to try their foundation stick, and I think I would be in the shade Biscay, or maybe the lightest one, I'm not sure, just from their descriptions online. And then they also have a powder blush. So their powder products are in little pot, kind of remind me of big pigment jars, but they have a little brush thing on top. They look interesting. But I want to try their powder blush in the shade Gilded Sunset. I think that's a coral type color. And then they also have a brow pencil that I would be curious to try. It would be in the shade Blake. That's the taupe color. And then they also have a matte lip stain, and the shade Marsala looked good to me. It's a dark nude. Couple from Black Moon Cosmetics. I want to try the Orb of Light palette, which looks absolutely amazing. And then one of their liquid lipsticks in the shade Dusk. I don't remember exactly what color that was, but it was the most interesting out of their site that I saw. And then from Dose of Colors, I just found one lipstick that I wanted to try in the shade Sleepless. Actually, I forgot what shade it was called before, but as soon as after I looked that up, I went to Facebook and I had a freaking ad for the shade Sleepless from Dose of Colors. Like, quit spying on me. And then from Feral Cosmetics, I want to try the liquid lipstick in the shade Beach Bum. It looks kind of similar to like maybe Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star. And then from Johnny Concert, I just picked one shadow, and I'm going to try the shade Mad Love. It's like a reddish kind of color. And then Lethal Cosmetics, they have like shadow bundles. So they have like the singles, and they have like a bundle of 4 for $24, which I think is a really good deal for like a more natural vegan brand eyeshadows. I just don't know what colors I would want because like a lot of them were sold out, so like, I don't know if they're going to stop selling them or they just have restocked or what. And then from Ofra, I want to try the Glazed Donut highlighter, of course, because it is like the ultimate pale person bright blinding highlighter. And then the last one from Silk Naturals. So they sell palettes that are dupes of popular like eyeshadow palettes, and they have one called the Avant Garde, which is similar to the Subculture palette, and I actually like some of the colors in this one better than from the Subculture, which isn't vegan anyways. But the thing is, they come loose, and I would have to press them. I think that would be a fun adventure to like press some shadows, maybe like just for one palette, not like a whole bunch. So yeah, that was my wish list of stuff that I wanted to try from these different brands. And some of those brands I never purchased anything from, and just I think the one and Wet n Wild are the only ones that I've actually bought things from before. So let me know what's on your wish list, if you want any of these, if you've tried any of those, let me know how they are. And yeah, subscribe so I don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.